x to the 8 minus 256 equal to 0. We can say it is x to the 8. 256 is 2 to the 8 equal to 0. As you can see, one answer, obvious answer, is x equal to 2. Now here in next level, I consider, I divide both sides by 2 to the 8. So it will be x over 2 to the 8 minus 1 equal to 0. Then we can consider x over 2 equal to, for example, 8. So 8 to the 8 minus 1 equal to 0. Then in next level, we can write that on one famous formula. We know, for example, if we have a squared minus b squared, you can write it as a plus b times a minus b. Now here, we know a to the 8 minus 1, you can write it as a, you know it is 0. It is equal to a to the 4 squared minus 1 squared. So it will be a to the 4 plus 1 times a to the 4 minus 1. If you use same thing here again, it will be a to the 4 plus 1 times a squared minus 1 squared. If you apply this identity again, it will be a to the 4 plus 1 times a squared plus 1 times a squared minus 1. And we can conclude 0 equal to a to the 4 plus 1 times a squared plus 1 instead of a squared minus 1, because it's a squared minus 1 squared, which will be a plus 1 times a minus 1. Okay. Now here, from this part, it is 0, or this one is 0, or this one is 0, or this one is 0. If this one is 0, a is 1. A is what? X over 2, so x over 2 is 1, so x is 2 times a. Yeah. Which is 2. One answer that we found here, we don't need to consider. It's a equal to negative 1, so x equal to negative 2. Second answer. A squared plus 1, 0. We don't have any other real solution, but let me define I equal to root negative 1. We can find complex numbers. So a squared is negative 1, so a is plus minus I. So because x is 2a, so here x is plus minus 2i. Two more answers here on this part. A to the 4 is negative 1, so a squared plus minus I. And a will be plus minus square root of plus minus I. Four answers. And we know x is 2a. So x will be plus minus 2 times plus minus I. Four answers also we found in this part. Okay. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.